we have talked about the difference, the main differences in the quartz and granite in the past, along with quartzite, marble, and all the other popular stones that people are using in their homes nowadays. Today I have a couple of samples of a few different quartz and a couple different granites. What I want to talk about is mainly not the technicalities of these guys, but how can you use them in your house or in your project, or at least on what I recommend. For example, quartz. One of the things is when we finish a kitchen or a bathroom and you have like half a slab left over, well, you can use, for example, that to do a table, to have a little cutting board, do a small powder bathroom, something like that on a countertop, small application. Now, these guys, you cannot do whatever you do, you cannot leave them outside. The problem is these guys are 95% mineral and 5% resins. So let's call it glue. So that glue is eventually going to start disintegrating or bowing, or it just doesn't stand the weather like the natural stone would. Now, this guy on the other hand, is a granite. These two guys are granite. These guys, if we have a little bit left over from your project, you can actually do that for a small outdoor pit, or you can do a small outdoor table. You can just do ornaments with it. There are some people that like to put those around the flowers just to give it a little bit of a accent, wow factor, things like that. So those are the main differences. This guy can stand the sun. It gets pretty hot though, so I'd also recommend to have it under the shade. But this guy, definitely the quartz, I wouldn't recommend getting them exposed to the elements, because it wouldn't. Even though if you have it underneath like a patio cover or something, I don't think it would stand very well against the elements. So anyways, if you guys have any questions about the difference in this bad boys, whether it be quartz, quartzite, marble, or any other stone that you're thinking about installing in your future project, please give us a call.